Get to the point. Him rush it and me rush it. Ask him. If you come out to fuck girl, ask him. If me want fuck, I take fuck. Can't bother if you come sit down and chat me. Hey, my name is Nee. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite color is green. I don't like when girls lie to me. I like to go to the movie and be me like an ear. Hug up on it. Brother, get to the point. Timing. You see, pray? Time. Work with the time. I can't not about you. Boy, I went behind me. I feel. Boy, I'm not like bro. You can't. The boy bad. Underage couldn't stop the fuck, yeah. No underage couldn't stop the fuck, yeah. Most of the boy just him just do he come like say him just gravitate to the things and mama come life come say you know so alright then I them some that like. But like when boy enough make me tell them what to do. You see pray? No joke. You see one time if you look down in my IG, you see me post one video when me I say bombard and no say do. Me want the boy fuck me at the edge of the bed and the boy me I go down the boy a jam me. You remember that video when me not the yellow? Me not have to tell the boy for the nothing. Jesus, say you want me say? Nothing. Don't talk to you up there stuff. I'm a don't talk to only yourself too. Nuh-uh. I'm not about you. Girl shine up. Boy, I'm really shine up. Every so the boy favor one piece of girl, the boy cute bad. Now real life, him nice. Couldn't stand for looking at the boy face, yeah? So I turn my back and up on the phone and scroll through IG. The boy that wine for me back with the Lord of mercy. The boy did behind me and wine. I see my clip. My clit stiff. But say if I touch my clit, your finger then burp. So all clit stiff. So all clit stiff. The son the boy that behind me and wind up on me. The boy over by my neck. I start Jesus. You dig that one here for me, you know. But I tell you the little things in my life. Mr. The boy turn around for. In Jesus' name, you know what I say, God. The boy turn me around in front of me and take the phone and put it down and show me who are the man. I say, yeah. Yes. The boy saw me, I say, the boy. Because them do the same thing. If me that say about Jamie, the truth is just the truth and what them do. The boy them do it, so me have to talk about it. So my Indian the boy take the phone from me and put it down in a little face basic thing this so and never start when him a kiss him, not just kisses so I'm just hold your neck. Hey blood clot me, I think I get one with this bumble wall. I started what over my neck tight you know? And just start kiss me. I feel so alive, I feel like me back in high school and there with the boy there. I'm not talk just normal kiss people. I talk about you ever hear about French kiss? Can you do French kiss? I not talk about those French kiss. I talk about the real French kiss. The normal local French kiss. It just comes to French kiss. You ever get the real French kiss? You understand what I say? When if you not understand what I say, I not get local French kiss. French kiss, I want to just born and say French kiss. Yeah, I like French kiss. I not talk about them French kiss there. I talk about professional, full and put on your head and talk attitude on it. French kiss. Boy, French kiss, I feel like I say no because I can't do this. Get a condom. Boy, no condom. Him never have condom yet. Him not go tell you like him never. When we fuck up at the hotel, you never have condom. You come down and me and about 2 times, you never have condom. You never in your life have condom. And me, I was afraid of a condom. Like, you know me, I fuck at and you know, girl have our things them. When we go in the room now, me I tell them, say me want fuck. the best friend and Trigger sit down on the bed and stare. I said, Trigger, you can't carry the boy around your fear part this side, go out. Can't run at the front room, then at the hall, no? You know them come out and me and Neil put down what I have to put down. I don't know if I feel the boy want to feel good, the boy ever have video. I don't know if I black the girl when him a post me and some post on him WhatsApp status. Anyways, now me fall in love now, you know. I fall in love because I find a boy with have swag. Him cute and him nice. I not like he's a nice person. I don't care if he must tell me, you know, I shoot me some comfort talk. He is a nice person. Somebody there must say, alright, then I find my little self a little boyfriend. No man, Neil got a more buzz than Jay. Neil got a more buzz than Jay, I'm not lying. You know, I find my little self a boyfriend, then I fall in love now. Blood clot, here goes the hot mess now. I mean like after we fucking, you know, a couple days run off and thing. It look like say him so-called woman must come back to him now. Like him so-called woman come back now, so he might tell me say, Ivany, I tell you the truth. Remember exactly everything with the boy. There is no, I don't need to go read the message. Remember what him say. Him look pan and he say, Ivany, I rate you, I love you and thing, but I don't want to hurt you. That him say, no. I rate you and thing, and I love you, but I don't want to hurt you. So what you mean by? Him say him still love him girlfriend. Him say him still love him girlfriend. And him no want if anything go on, the two of them go end up there because him love her in a long time them there. And me get broken heart. It's alright then. I'll go on my ways. So I top text him. Blood clot and Neil that text me. Ivany, I don't know how to do this. I love you and I love my girlfriend. I just can't choose. I know you're not going to deal with me because you don't want to deal with me. I tell him plain and straight. If you're your girlfriend, you love you, stay to your girlfriend. So me go on my ways. I'm not block him, I'm not text him, I'm not do nothing. Him text me, I just not answer. I just ignore him. You see me? So him come back now, come text me, voice note, and I say, oh, him love me, and him no want left me, and him no want the same woman, and him can't do the two away, and him confused, and him this and him that. I not pay him no man, same man. Him call me about, no matter what you have on, you're my woman, me love you same way, and nobody can stop that. Boy come on me yard come spend about 1 week already, and for the 1 week the boy don't look on his phone. Where was Francilla all those times? Probably tell Francilla saying come for a vacation. Me dey pan video call with Neil from about 10 o'clock. We have video call go to 5 o'clock. You see me? Anyways, now let me tell you what make me and Neil vex. We have a good term, you know. Me and Neil good, you know. Him never, even though him say him have him woman, him never disrespect me one way. Him never put. Last night I first me see him woman. You see me? Last night I first me see him woman. He never post her, make me see. If him do post her, he make sure block me. You know some boy with a post them girl and make you see. He nah do them something there. You see me, him nah do them something there. If him go post her, probably him block me. Him nah post her on the Instagram, make me see. He nah do them something there, make me see. Him have a respect. You see me, and that me did like about him. Even though I know him have him woman. Him woman live near me, tell her, say me go. Huh?
I'm not here.
Huh?
I'm not here.
You're not here, you're gone. Alright, take care. Oh, let me come close it. Just pin the lock, I'll come close it when I'm finished. Oh, you have the key, you could close it. Yeah, right. So, I was going to say, him not disrespect me, you see me? He not disrespect me, him not Francilla, yeah, Francilla she name. Yeah. So maybe when him post she in black me or when him post me in black she, but anyway take it him have respect and I that made it like I tell you oh man him vex no. Sheba birthday gone probably 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago. You see me? Sheba birthday gone and when me I look on her status, me see she post up and say thanks to my in-law Francilla. Cause remember Neil don't tell me saying having woman long time, you know. So you know say mother gonna know the girl and one bag of fuck and I'm here so the two of them live at Portmore. Me know him live at Portmore. Him tell me say she live at Portmore too. Him tell me that for himself. Yeah, him not hide nothing. So me then appear them there's something in mind. Just like how you know say a man having woman and he tell you that I still there with him. I see him stuff. Somebody don't know me I go through Sheba message. Sheba status on her story and me say something, me see a cake say and she said thanks to my in-law Francilla. Look my head mad like how you see it now. It's like you see the head mad as what in the mad. Me say it's like how you see my ear bad right now. That's something in my head bad. It's a bomb clot. No man. I must say me never yet see him do nothing, you know, but the one time me see something my head get chep. So I text him now. You bumble boy. I text him last night. Hey, me bite the phone, you know. How does I must say me bite and eat the phone and bite up the WhatsApp and just done with Instagram. Me just burn down the house, you know. You know what I'm saying? Say you don't know, say. Blood clot. Neil not post her upon him IG neither. Anytime Neil post, me turn on post notification. And Neil him not post her. He will comment. He comment on her picture them. And say bae and him say. But he not post her upon him IG. But he comment. Well, not how me see still. I've never seen that still. Talk what me see and know about. So, when me reach now, me see Sheba post up. Say thanks to friends. So me go text Neil now. But me do it under style. You see me? But yeah, Jamaica people, but you don't know. So, I text him on that style and I say, I never just attack him, you know, because I don't know much pitney mother have and something, you know, so I never want to attack him, you know what I mean? So I say, I try get in her head first. So I text him and I say, how much son your mother have? And he said, 2 sons. So I said, who are the older one? He never did answer because I did end up start sending some different message. So, in a night now, not in a night, actually, yeah, in a night, but around 10 o'clock, that was last night, 10 o'clock, which was like, we're good and thing, you know. 10 o'clock last night now. I text him, I said, who is Francis? Remember, the girl named Francilla, you know, but here we go now. When me see the post on Sheba, I just know say it start with F, but I never know if it was Francilla, Francesca or whatever. I just know say it did start with some F. So I just call her Francis. You get me? So I just call her Francis. So in the day I say, who name Francis? Anyways, I cut last night and go about my business. I'm coming back now, I call him around 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock I call him, about him time I call him 3 o'clock. You know what we did there. Anytime I go, I left me at 10 o'clock and come back in, he always answer. I don't care my video calling me answer him. So I come back now, I call him. I would do that way I talk on the phone and thing. And it just clicking on my head. You know how women stay. Don't forget nothing. No care you could argue with him. You could argue with $1 million. If I see you fuck a girl today, I never get for ask you. You think so you could have buy me house and care and give me $1 million and me now remember say the fuck for me have to come question about the fuck what you do? You must be mad. All if your mother just dead, all if your father just dead, and we in a sad memory. Me we in a church a ball. Which girl let you fuck and a ball and I ask you which girl you fuck. I saw my bad. Me we a ball down blood clot in a church and your mother dead. And me down pan. Which kind of fuck last night? I swam stay. So when me and him have a jolly time last night on video call now, I say, who named Francis? I just come out of the blue. Who named Francis? Him no know who named Francis. Me show you how he give away himself. Me and him have this argument here today, you know. Because he give away himself. Who named Francis? And I don't pan Francis. Because I can't remember say a Francis that she name. I just can't remember. So I just don't pan Francis. He might talk about Francis as somebody last name. I say I don't give a fuck if it's a last name. Who named Francis? Yeah, him now, no? Yeah, him now to feel himself now. You know, so I know who you talk. But I know so she name. I feel like I know who you talk, but I know so she name. I say what you mean? Because I talk about Francis. So I don't know what you talk about. Hear what him go tell me. Go back and line picture and get the name right. Poor me not even go up on your picture, much less if you know say comment the under your picture. And your mother story me watch. And see when your mother said thanks to me in-law we buy the little cake. And give yourself, you know. Tell me say me if you go back pan the page and see what your name. Because I know me I talk but I don't say person name. So you know me as a girl, I not hesitate. Not hesitate. So I say, hold on then. So I come out of WhatsApp and I go in Instagram. And I scroll, looking for what I never put down. When I scroll, I see a film picture. I see she just put one art. And you reply to it and say, babe. Now tell me, you know all the people write boo, baby, and them something and the people, but nobody never dare write them something there. I be, you know, up my friends Dirt and Six and all them something there. She was the only person. I say put her art, and he replied to that art, babe, with her next art. So and then it stopped. Then I see the Francilla. I said, okay. Alright. So I click on her name. I know me to a stalker now, you know, because I first message she for all of them time, you know. So me go up on the page now, I did read. I want to see girl. The girl worse than me. The girl have 10 suit of clothes in the same one pink shoe. She have on green and she have on the pink shoes with it. She have on white dress, she have on the pink suit. She have on a black dress, she have on the pink suit. She have on a long dress, she have on the pink suit. You know them look pretty there when your mother make you put on one pants over your bath suit, and as soon as you reach at the party you take off the pants. Who do that? The girl go on one party and the girl look nice, you know, and I want little bath suit thing. And you know them little joggers pants so you put on the bath suit that reach up to your waist, and the bath suit that down to your body just a little bit. Look like her mother girl put on her, she can't come out her yard certain way. And as she reach at the party, the girl make a snap with the pants fold up in her hands. So I say, what kind of little picnic this? I go there now, I look, I saw this girl holy. This girl a whole body. And then when I see she take her picture and smile, it just click back in my mind when Neil tell me say the girl sucking your hood and curl up between your hood. No wonder why so much blood clots paste between your teeth. You ever eat Julie? Not Julie, stringy. You ever eat stringy? Are you having braces? Are you having gap? Are you bite all a banana and the something then just fill up the space them in your teeth? When she inside her, she suck cock, she a bite on the cock, so she a go. Her teeth them the normal like man, you know, and she a bite on the cock so. So all her nail flesh got find space in her, everyone I hold them in her teeth then, you know this at so. Then find space. Oh my good vagina eat that blood clot body, man. I asked me, say me eat it. I didn't know what I said, sure. Nah, pay she in mind. So anyways, I screenshot her picture, you know, so I can always go fast and lurk. You know, I screenshot her picture. So by the time I scroll through the message, I realized him delete the comment. Because the comment wasn't there again, him delete the comment. Remember say I'm still up online, you know, cause scroll I look, you know. So I go back now, he must say in the day shaking it. So I talk to him in can't answer. You know, like when you know nothing to say, you can't answer, but you just depend on the phone, see when you can't answer, and you just a shaking it, and you just like you just give me a little baby look there. Anyways, me forget about all of them look something there. Me and him a talk, and we're good to go and thing, and my head just hip to blood clot this morning. Me never sleep. And one man just said, no, I go and this out the two of them bomb clot. I say, me did make sure I hang up the phone on him from last night. Okay, so one time I just realized yes, when I go up on her page, I read through the comment and everyone I pictured them baby, boo, boo, doodle, cupcake, sea cake, pie, dinosaur, salt, gummy bear, snail, rattlesnake, tiger. One bag of fucking name on the comment. Some of that saying, mama, don't call up my bomber clad phone, suck up, boy. Some tell him, Pandy, and I just hang him up. I hang him up and I block him from this morning. I block him from about 5 o'clock. We have chat so long. I block him from this early this morning. No, so me not sleep and I torment. No blood clot. I tormenting and I sleep. You know? Can't hold a proper sleep. I say I tormenting and I sleep. I turn so I torment. My auntie in my sleep. I can't sleep. You see me? You come like the devil just, you know what? You know what? Like the devil just, you know what? Fuck this shit. And I just get up this morning and I just text her dirty blood clot. I don't give a fuck who look for trouble. Me ain't gonna stay this for that long. Me wasn't gonna do it. I'm tired of it. Me ain't gonna stay this for. Friend him tell me about him woman, it just in my mind, I said I can't work with that. You see me? And every time I say I can't work with it, me and him end up talk back. But last night, me could have, from me see, come like me just want to see something. I must say I will tell him I tell me about him woman, you know. So come like me just want to see something for me left. And from me see the comment them eat that. And I just done her blood clot in her. I just go right in her DM. And so learn for control your little cocky. You hear me I tell you? Control your little dick. You see me? And I just send her the screenshot them because I don't want a girl feel like say a lie me I tell you. So I just send her the screenshot them for she see the man and say yeah. The body nice, me know it get it nice. And then I say after I post up the things them one time I have nothing never know say me over on the other two pages I post things, you know. I post my things them now. I just tell him to go suck him mama and I block him off on my phone. But this she she blocked me, you know. She read the message and she blocked me. She never answer me. And I just go in a WhatsApp and I diss him and I block him. And I saw it go. Until I say no watch out. I delete them off of my page. And I so come delete everything. And then my ASM go live. Because I say all along I didn't talk the full story. And I just see that post up be a screenshot. I post up be a screenshot with my ASM they live. So I say alright then go live today. And I so come reach live. I'm just start the things then. That's just it. If me never do that,